to finances area. You be like me and who more person, o person tien crofon, some person children crofon, the person you good with people. People no cry what age group? Oh, adult. Then you go into the adult side. I'm good with Nkola Nketwa. I better think Tasuogu Menimumeti Masi. I want to be part of Nkola Nketwa. I want to professional. Then you looking forward there. Oh, I am good with building things and who thinking of what? And your ma bet me a building your man engineer and I say for. Oh, I am very good in lecturing by talking and whatever. You can become a comedian. You sit down and you brainstorm and see yourself where 10 years from now, 5 years from now, you still happy. Then I am good with money and numbers. Banking. Any other stuff are that related to bank. Ye kuro for Ghana no doesn't mean sao. Even though ye nkole ye kura no sa wan chena ntena ho o wie high school no ye confused because obi e konto person okobi. Into one tree year happen to most of our Ghanaian children because many youth na ye adwuma. What the pressure no one because obi a ye wakwa kowrem be komu be wie 1 year 2 years later be unu so ade waste not my field obe wie no wa wasting money wa wasting energy wa wasting everything the time. Do you sit the child down, you give the child a few more months. You are no abuabo frana no aya research. Ansana wa apply. Into apply no go more on inside dear way you no kwa. You could move for Ghana no. Those are the things when we get opportunities. David Nessa you are the same one Trini Jonas no. Those are the things I'm not bumping for so many months. Those are the things you come on the social media and you help the youth. As you guys claim, say, you guys are fighting for Ghana. What did penny for not tamosamu dio matama, then you forget to ninose. You exclude ninose out of it. You come almost. You have to take Tylenol. Did you start to the table? Me daughter Colano no aboa me ade check in and see what you like. Those are the things you help. Yeni anamo Ghana for your moto you free. Koko twe suku di suku ni bu obi wa ya bo suku ni din ne kirawa. Program ko an wakoye ne obo kirawa na wo no wabisa wo ti abroche no wabisa na say no so ya den. Unti bi da. Enso nkrofo free abebie. And this is the things and the stuff we need to come on the social media. And we help those people to educate them and explain. Say, getting yourself involved with school, even though no crano, sometimes I know then. Be very, 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 use your mind very well. And son, we are one man me blemobi. Nempono wakwa wie no ye nyina yakoko school ni bia wie. Me last time me wie me degree baako. Sa da degree no me nya ho kura me nya ho adwuma mpo nya da. Makwa wie ehye mpaase da ho. Enso se makwa wie. Makwa wie. Enti nkrofo bebre nso wo kromo o makoko school awie. Omo degree na hyehye mpaase omu nya ho adwuma omo pe inti ebi ye cleaning job ebi ye factory job bebre ye nyuma they don't like it is called short term. We teach them inti no so obi ko lego wie na onyanya adwuma. That doesn't mean that the person have to become a crippled no ntena fie no bi ba social media bedin sem hu na ye dinachi. You and I know, sir, and some content no more cannot be Ghana na say we know. But atemu die no, it's not. It's not. We are not helping, but rather insulting. For how long? For how long are you guys going to sit and insult and insult and insult and insult and insult and insult? You insulting. Would you attempt? No way the attempt. No way the attempt. Mama, me and my Canada and Concord trail, mamma, Metina was in me do, mammy at the move. You know how much it feels. It's not nice. In Penifona, ya dear cry, you guys don't like it. Attempt, dear, no, and yet, so penny, would not attempt, would David. Nanado ne man ebi no obeye pe. Nanado ne man ebi no obeye pe me nua bema. Twini Jonas. Ebi kura na na Kufuado ne first grandchild mpo ne obeye pe. Anase ebi an last born mpo ne obeye pe. Inti obi a unu se nice polo ye shemi sweater polo ye shemi bi kura me the credit card na makotwi na me twiatwia na kakra na credit card ni mpo kura me de akotwi ne ye gi me interest inti zenka wo hwe wo kura asu nim faso mpo too much se enyoma bebrebi wo ho no ma for pleasure nti wo ye na unya chese enso Ghana ni no person o look just like me also onibi. And you must say near Betna one near teach you, Minia. Nay, ya boa money, I catch on say. Ghana, we have long way to go. See the dust a war. Omodia, Mrs. the big call Ghana. Na ni fear him. Omo ye roads, you know. Omo ye road, na ne kufu do ye roads, no. And omodia born in your mabegu baby. Kromo afoti maimufo no wiwi anwea no ne abo ne koton ma pepo mu si dan we ye dipia ka because ane ho akire no kope wo asase ko akura na se kope ayido dom yenche onpe nu ope quick money ozi sister drink water water no kura me drink kura nko ope quick money me wa no kura improve improve pamedo ope quick money intino ade na omode ye road kill people no bonti wonka road na kill people na empanifo no kakra omoye no omode begu otemamufo no ewia ekoton okoton pokuro koton ni cheap because enya ne dia okwa ne opebia ne de ma no agenya ne dia. All those are the things we need to come and teach them because the kromana ya ban one kwankwa ye adwuma na wonsa nye den kasika no. And then I was talking to the kids. Enkola yakola ba ko to fo ma no wase no to ma no na wase no pebiem na say this time master ain't giving to you and I ain't giving nothing to you. I'm not giving to you. And I sat down with this child and I lectured the child how much I suffered to get the money before you get it, so you have to appreciate. So what you say? Me go here adwuma miserable job we hwe snowing na mu koye adwuma oto no asem because onim the value of money. So you need to teach. We need to teach our people. Say ye na yeti akwenti omohan. We need to live through with a rules and regulation. You cannot just get up and do anything you want. Me papa you want to say drink some coffee, oh papa. Mate Canada haba sika kakra okita. Obi tif me free US back sika kakra okita wa baby school. Onu amukura school.